Hello friends, welcome to Duguli Chatsari. Today I am going to share some quiz about yoga. Yoga. Question 1. What is yoga? Answer. Yoga is a group of physical, mental and divine practices or disciplines which is originated from ancient India. Question 2. Which is the basic root of the yoga? Answer. The word yoga is derived from the Sanskrit root yuj, meaning to join or to yoke or to unite. Question 3. Yoga derived from which language? Answer. Yoga is derived from the Sanskrit language. Question 4. Why yoga is important? Answer. Yoga is important because it brings together physical and mental disciplines to achieve a peaceful body and mind. It helps manage stress and anxiety and keeps you relaxing. Question 5. Where was yoga started? Answer. Northern India. Yoga's origins can be traced by Northern India over 5,000 to 10,000 years old. The word yoga was first mentioned in ancient sacred text called the Rig Veda. Question 6. Who is known as father of yoga? Answer. Tirumalla Krishnamacharya, 18th November 1888 to 28th November 1989, was an Indian yoga teacher, Ayurvedic healer and scholar, often referred to as the father of modern yoga. Question 7. Who is the founder of yoga? Answer. The Adi Yogi Shiva. He is often referred to as Shiva. Yoga was developed by the Hindu Saraswati civilization in northern India over 5,000 years ago. Question 8. Which city is called as capital of yoga in the world? Answer. Rishikesh. Rishikesh is also the self-styled capital of yoga in the world. Question 9. Who introduced yoga first in the Western world? Answer. Swami Vivekananda. Yoga for health and happiness. It was a Hindu reformer, Swami Vivekananda, who first introduced yoga to a larger audience in Chicago, USA. Question 10. When do we celebrate International Yoga Day? Answer. 21 June. United Nations promoted of global health, harmony and peace. Question 11. Why is 21st June celebrated as Yoga Day? Answer. The United Nations General Assembly proposed on December 11th and established June 21 as International Yoga Day. Question 12. When did International Yoga Day pass in UN General Assembly? Answer: on September 27, 2014, during the speech at the UN General Assembly, Prime Minister Narendra Modi put forth his suggestion for the occasion of a Yoga Day. Question 13. How many countries supported the Yoga Day proposal? Answer: Sam Kutesa, President of UN General Assembly, announced to celebrate the International Yoga Day on June 21, and more than 170 countries supported the Yoga Day proposal. Question 14. Where was the first International Day of Yoga celebrated? Answer: the first International Day of Yoga was observed around the world on 21 June 2015. The Ministry of Ayush made the necessary arrangements in India. 35,985 people, including PM Narendra Modi and dignitaries from 84 nations, performed 21 yoga asanas for 35 minutes at Rajpath in New Delhi. Question 15. What is the logo of International Yoga Day? Answer: International Yoga Day logo showcases a human finger in blue, sitting with folded legs and hands joined on top of its head. The blue figure stands for the union between a man and nature. Question 16. What was the theme of International Yoga Day in 2019? Answer: the theme of 5th International Yoga Day 2019 is Climate Action. Question 17. What was the theme of International Yoga Day in 2020? Answer: the 6th International Yoga Day 2020 theme is Yoga for Health, Yoga at Home. Question 18. What is the theme of International 7th Yoga Day on 2021? Answer: International Yoga Day on 2021 is Yoga at Home and Yoga with Family. The nature of yoga is to shine the light of awareness into the darkest corners of the body. Stay home, stay safe, and do yoga daily. Jai Hind. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you liked it.